So a little over 2 weeks from China via Yuan Express. This is the Radioddity CB-500. Have a little look through the banding. We have India, Germany, Italy 2, Poland, UK, CE, EU, and there we are. We're back again. So we'll try DE, for example, as well. A lot of people from Germany asking me about the radio, so. There we go, noise reduction is automatically on, as we see. So we go to the menu, key beep, which is atrocious, brightness, color, reset all, function key, emergency channel 2 and 1, CTCSS, RF gain, alert, so that's the NOAA channels because this one is USA spec, echo, there must have been delay, off, noise reduction, high cut, noise blanker and ANL, timeout timer, talkback, Vox, scan skip, scan type. Not sure, I'll have to look it up. Electric diner, my gain, Roger beep, key beep, brightness. So that's a quick look at the menu and the banding. But I know you all want to know about what else is hidden underneath. So we'll come back in a few minutes and see what we can show you with that.